Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. For any defense forces, not just having the powerful aircrafts alone is vital, but we need to make sure they are properly maintained or the pilots are well trained to make sure there is no loss of such expensive aircrafts. Every country puts so much effort in acquiring every aircrafts in their fleet, and when any crash happens, it is for sure a big loss for the respective air force. The reason why I'm talking about such a topic here is due to the recent Pakistan Air Force JF 17 crash, which happened on September 15, 2020. A Pakistan Air Force JF 17 aircraft crashed on September 15, 2020 during a routine training mission, and as per the defense source, the pilot ejected successfully. Even though the Pakistan Air Force didn't mention the type of aircraft in their official statement, the various sources were able to confirm that the tail number that it had was for JF 17 Block 2 aircraft. Even the seat manufacturer, Martin Baker, has confirmed that JF 17 crash of Pakistan, which happened on September 15, 2020. This marks the first JF 17 ejection that's fitted with the Martin Baker PK16LE ejection seats. Normally, a pilot ejects from an aircraft only when the technical fault is something irrecoverable, and looks like that was the case with JF 17 as well. This is the third JF 17 crash of Pakistan Air Force, and that too, such crashes in less than 9 years is making us suspect the quality of these Chinese designed fighter aircrafts. These things are clear evidence that these Chinese fighters are not better than Indian Air Force recently inducted Rafale fighter jets. Hope the Block 3 variant, which is yet to be inducted, has better quality than the current ones. These fighters are said to be more advanced and technologically sophisticated aircraft with KJ-7A AESA radars. As per the ejection seat manufacturer Martin Baker, the number of pilots whose lives have been saved are 7,632, and all this is possible due to the continuous product development being carried out at Martin Baker. In an aircraft, an ejection seat or ejector seat is very vital to rescue the pilot or other crew member of the aircraft. Any malfunction of such critical component is not acceptable, so we need to make sure they are made by some quality manufacturer. Martin Baker's ejection seats are fitted in top-notch fighters like Dassault Rafale, the Dassault Mirage 2000, Eurofighter Typhoon, Lockheed Martin F-35, and Boeing Super Hornet, to name a few. The good thing to know here is, even the Tejas uses Martin Baker 16LG ejection seats, and DRDO has integrated an indigenous canopy severance system in these Tejas, which allows the pilot to eject safely. The canopy severance system of a fighter aircraft is a life-saving device that helps in safe ejection of a pilot in distress. Even though Tejas has many indigenous parts and components, they have taken a good decision to go for United Kingdom's manufactured Martin Baker ejection seats. Hope very soon India would be able to develop one by themselves to make sure Tejas is a complete indigenous fighter jet. So that was a quick update on the reason why Pakistani pilot got saved due to the September 15, 2020 JF-17 crash. Also, we understood more about the incident and also about the Martin Baker aircraft seat manufacturer. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.